everybody, welcome back to my channel. My Benjamin is with me, being a little stink pot that he is. I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, a lot of you guys can also watch my past Walmart videos because a lot of them are the same repeaters. I really wanted to hit Ibotta. I have like a bonus where if I get 20 rebates, I'll get a $5 bonus, but I really tried hitting it, but there's just not a lot of deals, and a lot of deals did not reset for me. Like, I can no longer do the hair dye deal. I think I no longer can do the Tic Tacs after this, because usually it only lets you do a minimum of 5 max. So, just want to share with you guys that. But if you guys want to watch my past videos, if you guys need other ideas to hit level 4, I'm hoping everybody hits level 4 this month on Ibotta. And now my husband's calling me. I'm sorry about that. My husband calls me at a certain time every night when he's home, when he gets on his break from work. But yes, please. That's not a phone, honey. That's a video game. Ben has like one of my little old household games, and he's like, hello? Hello? Go play it upstairs. Go play the game upstairs. So, let me share with you guys what I got. But if you guys need more ideas for Ibotta, definitely go back and check my old videos, because some of those videos are still, or some of those deals are still good for you guys, just not for me anymore, because I used it up so much. So just letting you guys know on that. So let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. I ended up getting the McCormick's. Now this deal is ending soon, so these were each $1 a piece. You guys would end up paying $3 for all 3 of them, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making it free. Can't go wrong with free. This time I got smoky applewood, garlic, herb, and wine, and chipotle pepper. So somebody's got to be doing some grilling. I was like showing Ben how to do this. I'm like, Ben, look it, we got a rattle. I know you guys don't care. I'm silly. And I got Twinkies, but I didn't include that because I was hungry. Okay, so I ended up getting these B&B Better by Giving. This is a pain reliever and fever reducer. Now, they have the red ones, and the red ones, my store was sold out, and then they had another one, but I didn't find it. I don't know if this deal is ending anyways. But this one was $2.48. You guys would pay $2.48 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 48 cents. Now, if your store has the red one, I think the red one is $2.48 also, or $2.68. But you guys can buy the red one too, and if you guys buy both of those together, you get a $1 bonus. So, otherwise, if you can't, try a different Walmart. I might try a different Walmart to find the red one. So, I just wanted to share with you guys on that deal. I had to do the Tic Tacs again, you guys. I think I'm out of the Tic Tacs, which is fine. I might order some more, but Tic Tacs, these were $1.14. You guys want to use 50% off coupons that we got from a while back ago. You guys would end up just paying 64 cents for all 3 of these, or each, I guess. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate for this one. You guys can submit a 50-cent rebate for that one, and a 50-cent rebate for that one, making these each $1.14. I used to chew gum like crazy before I had Ben. I was always chewing gum, and I should probably get back in the habit, because if I'm not chewing on gum, then I'm snacking on stuff. So maybe I should start chewing on gum, just because. So I had to get more of the gum. Yeah, I got the Rhino Quart. This is again another repeat deal. This is $13.94. You guys want to use that $10 off coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just pay $3.94 on this, but then you guys can submit a $2.15 rebate, making the final price for this just $1.79. So, had to go with that deal. I ended up doing the Adidas deal again because this deal is not in the Checkout 51 deal, and I kind of like this smell. They still don't have the one that I really like, so I had to go and get this one again, and the husband's really enjoying these sprays that I'm getting him. So these were at $7.98. You guys want to use that $4 off coupon that we got from, I think, last weekend. Not this previous weekend, but last weekend. You guys would just pay $3.98 for these, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.98. Now, I think this is a great price. $1.98 for this, I think, is a great price. I did the Playboy spray because why not? I think this is one I got last time. Yeah, this is one I got last time. So this is $3.98. You guys would pay $3.98, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.98. So, had to do that deal again. Now that deal is also available in Checkout 51. I already submitted it. If you guys watch my past videos, you guys can see you guys can do that deal also. I did the Downy deal again. I'm going to keep doing this until it stops resetting. So this is $6.97. You guys want to use those $2 off coupons that you guys can print off the Downy Wrinkle Releaser, or we had a couple inserts of this product a couple different times. You guys would just pay $4.97. But then you guys can submit your receipt to Checkout 51 and get $2 back. And they have this deal where if you get this by Wednesday, you guys will end up getting a 75-cent bonus. So the final price for this just comes to $2.75. Wouldn't say that's a great deal, but I can't keep passing this up because when am I ever going to coupon for this again? Never. So had to do that deal. I ended up getting the Febreze wash, and it's funny is every time I go to the checkouts with these stupid tags, the cashier's like, "Oh, is this a coupon?" You know, they're so in tune to grabbing a coupon. I'm like, no, and if it is, I have a better coupon. So it's kind of funny, and I'm glad they do that. But I always have to tell cashiers, no, I have a better coupon, because otherwise I would have pulled it already. If I didn't see that, I'm dumb, but I would have pulled that coupon already. So this was $8.84. You guys want to print off a $4 off coupon from the Febreze Odor Eliminator. Now, if you guys can't get that coupon to print, try a different browser. Just letting you guys know on that. Your browser might be the one, or you got to clear your cookies, which I don't really know how to do. So this was, you guys would end up paying $4.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Checkout 51. Plus, you guys get that 75-cent bonus if you redeem it by Wednesday. So this ends up becoming just $1.09. And this is for something you put in your washing machine. So yes, I had to get that. And then my last item I got is the Poise pads. These were $4.84. I used that $2 off coupon. You guys would just pay $2.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price just $1.84. I wouldn't say this is the greatest deal, but like I said, I wanted to share with you guys some good deals on Ibotta. I want everybody, or majority of everybody to hit level 4. A lot of you guys are saying you've never hit levels before, and this is the month to hit level 4. Let's do it, you guys. Let's do it. So if you guys add everything together, I paid $32.45 for everything. But then I got $12.65 back with Ibotta, and then I got $6.50 back with Checkout 51. making the final price for everything just $12.30 or just 95 cents a piece at 13 items. I wouldn't say this is the greatest haul. I really wanted to get that $5 bonus, and I can't even tell you how many I need because my money hasn't updated yet. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. So what's going on? Oh, okay. Thank you, baby. So yeah, I just, there's more deals that you guys can do. I just either didn't have the coupons for it, my store didn't have it in stock. I did have a couple things in here that my store did not have in stock, so, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that deal. I'm hoping you guys all hit level 4, but if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, I highly recommend it. You guys click the link below. You guys can join my team. If you guys want to be on my team and you already have Ibotta, I do have a Facebook link below that you guys can friend request me. Now, don't type in my name when you guys friend request me, because I still use my Facebook, and then there's the Ibotta Facebook. And I've had some of you guys like friend request me on there. If I don't know you, I decline you on my normal Facebook page, okay? So definitely just join me on the link below. Just letting you guys know on that, because I've had a couple different people add me. And I don't want, that's just one thing I keep, you know, private. It's the same name, but I'm just letting you guys know on that. I'm not trying to be mean, but I can't have all you guys all up in my grill. Yeah, okay. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys all next week for another Ibotta haul. I am not doing another Walmart haul this week because I'm going to my mom's house, unless they add a lot more deals than maybe, or the end of the week. But I just wanted to share with you guys that. But I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.